In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix could not find user on ChatGPT. If you're seeing the could not find user message in ChatGPT, don't worry. This error is more common than you might think, and it's usually caused by an account, sign-in, or access issue that can be resolved with a few simple checks. Whether you're trying to log in, invite someone to a workspace, search for a user, or access a shared ChatGPT account, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check so you can get back to using ChatGPT without unnecessary delays. Let's begin by checking the email address or username you entered. Even a small typing mistake, an extra space, or selecting the wrong account can trigger this error. If you copied the information from somewhere else, try entering it manually instead, since copied text can sometimes include hidden formatting that causes problems. Next, make sure the user you're trying to access actually exists in the system. If you're working within a team, workspace, or organization, confirm that the administrator has already added the account and that the invitation was sent successfully. If the invitation was just sent, wait a few minutes and refresh the page, as it can sometimes take a little while for new accounts to appear. If you're signing in to ChatGPT directly, be sure you're using the same sign-in method you used when creating the account. For example, if you originally registered with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, continue using that same option. Choosing a different sign-in method can make it appear as though your account doesn't exist, even when it does. Another helpful step is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Old session data can sometimes interfere with account verification. You can also open ChatGPT in a private or incognito browser window. If everything works there, the issue is likely related to cached data or a browser extension. In that case, temporarily disable any ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blocking extensions before trying again. If you're using the mobile app, sign out completely, close the app, reopen it, and sign in again. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of the app, since older versions can sometimes cause unexpected account-related errors. If this happens in a work or school environment, ask your administrator to verify that your account has the correct permissions and access to the appropriate workspace or shared features. Also, confirm you're using the correct email domain, since a personal email address and a company email are treated as separate accounts. If your email address was recently changed, the previous one may no longer be recognized. You can also reset your session by signing out on all devices, then signing back in on just one device. This helps remove conflicting login sessions that may prevent ChatGPT from recognizing your account. If the issue still continues, try using a different browser or another network, as browser settings, VPNs, proxies, or restricted networks can sometimes interfere with the user lookup process. Finally, if none of these solutions resolve the problem, contact ChatGPT support and provide the exact error message along with a screenshot of what you're seeing. This will help the support team identify the cause more quickly. To recap, check your account details carefully, confirm the account exists, use the correct sign-in method, clear your browser data, disable extensions, verify your permissions, and try another browser or network if needed. These steps resolve most could not find user errors in ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,